For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The Indian Air Force has written a letter to the censor board of a film Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, featuring Janhvi Kapoor in the lead role. The film has been released on Netflix on August 12th. Air Force in its letter has stated that filmmaker Karan Johar promised authenticity, but the film has not presented all facts and is misleading. IAF in its letter said that the movie Gunjan Saxena shows IAF in a negative light. As per initial understanding, Maces Dharma Productions had agreed to represent the Indian Air Force with authenticity and make all efforts to ensure that the film helps to inspire the next generation of IAF officers. The trailer of the movie has been released recently on the OTT platform. Certain scenes and dialogues in the movie and its trailer, which was forwarded to this office for viewing, have been found to portray the IAF in an undue negative light. In the aim to glorify the screen character of ex-Fleet Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena, Maces Dharma Productions presented some situations that are misleading and portray an inappropriate work culture, especially against women in the IAF. It is also stated that the film displays inappropriate work culture, especially against women in the IAF, which is misleading. Calling the summary of scenes and dialogues in the script objectionable, IAF stated that they approached the production house but they did not delete the scenes. But it proposed a plan in the run-up to the release and insert a disclaimer in the movie. IAF also said that the issue of granting NOC for the release of the movie will be considered after deleting or suitably modifying the particular scenes. Meanwhile, at the beginning of the film, a disclaimer has been added by the production house. No scenes should be construed or represent a true or accurate recreation of the actual events that transpired. The Air Force supports equality in the skies. Currently, there are 1,625 women officers serving in the Indian Air Force. The story of the Dharma Productions movie is based on the first Indian Air Force woman pilot who is part of the 1999 Kargil War. Saxena, who is one of the first female pilots to fly in combat, played an important role in rescuing injured soldiers during the Kargil War. She was awarded the Gallantry Shaurya Chakra for displaying courage during the war. Air Force also said that as a service, it has ensured that the organization is gender neutral and has always provided an equal opportunity to both male and women personnel. IAF has also annexed the summary of the scenes and dialogues of the script, which are considered objectionable due to the presentation of incorrect gender bias with the letter. The Air Force stated that it feels that a mere media plan and disclaimer would not be adequate to prevent the presentation of incorrect facts about the IAF.